Hey y'all, it's Carmen with Real Life, and I'm here to do my tag flip share. This was hosted by It's a Deal here on YouTube, and she partnered us up, and my partner was Mara. Mara does not have a YouTube channel, but that's okay. I'm going to share what I'm going to send to her, and I will also share what I received. So here's what I did. Okay. The first is we were required to do 6 tags on some type of ring to flip. Unfortunately, my Dollar Tree was out of the binder clips, so I ended up just doing the little mini beaner clips like this. It was 2 in a pack for $1. I definitely would rather not go this route. Again, the next time it's a little bit more difficult, but it did work out just fine, so I hope she likes it. We were required to do a minimum of 6 tags, 6 inches high by 3 inches wide. Now, I went a little bit over 6 and a little bit over 3. But I just added some trim. I got the eyelash trim, some ribbons in the colors that I had used, the gold. And then I took some of this gold leaf wire that I had been gifted and included that in there. I'll push this back over to the side. And then I got the little leaves from Dollar Tree on the clothespin, and then I added a little leaf sticker to give it a little bit more color. I think I found this big leaf at Walmart, if I'm not mistaken. I apologize if I wasn't in film. I got this, and it's all glittery and sparkly and pretty and gold. And this is my first tag. Okay. I want to say I got this paper, if I can get it all back in order. I got this paper, which was a really good weight. I don't remember the weight, but it's a good, cardstock. And I believe I got this from Michael's. But when I saw it, I knew exactly what I wanted to use it for. So I had these 3D stickers that says "We Are Family," and it's got the tree, so I thought it'd be perfect to add the leaves in on that. And I didn't want to bling up it too much because the background had so much bling. So I used this matted type rose and little leaf, and then I just layered, 3 there, 2 here. And I thought it turned out cute. I love this paper. I'll show you the back when I get done in more detail. And then I also included some of the birds. I used one of the birds, and so I decided to gift her the rest. So a little, goodie in between. This paper pad is this. Let's see if I can get it down. It's the DCWV Autumn Chill, and I loved the colors of this. Love those colors. So, I added some of the more just flat stickers of leaves, stamped "It's Autumn." I added my rosette again, and then I added the little green bird and put some glitter glue for his eye and little dots in his little feathers. And then I added this little tag I believe I got because I loved it. I thought it was so cute. That came from Dollar Tree, I believe, a pack of stickers. And then I just had some of these, a pack of these fall leaves. So I put 1 in each color in between just to kind of dress it up and make it more fun. This paper was actually an older stack that I had gotten where I'd bought all my secondhand papers. And it was very, I know y'all probably know what I'm talking about if you've been around any length of time, but I couldn't tell you. It's not like rice paper or anything, but it's like almost like that handmade embossed. But anyway, it was very just flat. So I decided to take some Tim Holtz, the yellow distressed ink, and just kind of hit it to raise it up to give it a little bit more of dimension. And then I hit it with some glitter just here and there. I didn't want to overpower it. But then I had this tradition sticker, and so I added another leaf, and then I layered up. I had this, I think that was my last one. So I added that, colored it with some colors, added just a hint of the green glitter. Also included 2 paper flowers I had punched out, And of course, bling in the middle. And then another, this leafing orange. I also included, with all the stickers I had, I took what I had left over and put them in this fall leaf baggie that I had also hauled from Dollar Tree. And I just cut all the stickers that was left over and decided to share those with her because I don't think that I'll use them again. So I figured maybe she'll get some use out of it. And then this one, this is probably one of my favorites. I stamped Hello Fall. I added some of that trim I had got on clearance at Michael's. I think once I've started using this, I think this might be an iron-on because it had a plasticky back to it, but that's okay. It's holding up good, just gluing down. And I loved the color, how these two colors came in. And I put the bling in the middle. I took some gold trim and just put a little bow up there, make it a little bit more festive. And then a yellow leaf. And then this one came out of the paper pad, the Autumn Chill paper pad as well. Excuse me. And this all came out of the 3D stickers also that I had. That the little birdhouse and all that came in, the family and all that. And so I layered these up. And this was a flat sticker. And these leaves were flat stickers. So what I did, I didn't care for the wording or whatever was behind there. So I just put the sticker on top of it and made my own little 3D embellishment. And this, I can't remember, let's see, who that's from. Yeah, I don't have it handy. I don't know if it, but it was a pack of fall stickers. So I took some of those out and I put gift thanks. And then this one with a brown leaf. And then, well, if I can get it flipped over. And then I took some of the puffy pumpkins and the rest of my clips, or a couple of clips, the leaves that I had put on the front, I gifted those to her as well. And then this one, this came from the same pack of the 3D stickers. Right there, except for, like I said, I put the flat sunflowers there, but the family and that sticker, I covered it up. This came out of this pack as well, and it says family across, and I just loved all the darker colors. I added some, I need to touch that up with some glue, I guess, because they're popping off. Some fall leaves throughout. It says home, and it's got the heart and shaped little wooden house, family, and then apple jam sticker. So I figured, you know, this kind of stuff that reminds you of home and fall and flowers and leaves and all that kind of goodies. This is another paper that I actually got from Hobby Lobby in the single sheets. All right, now let's go backwards. And then I added the red burgundy leaf. Okay, and now this is the back side. Now some of the backs I did up and some I did not. I just left them some just a little bit more basic. If she wants to add a sentiment or anything that she wants to do, then she can do that. Now I did not add any sentiment to this because any words or anything, because the paper already had words. And this is another paper I hauled from Hobby Lobby that was just single sheets when the papers first came out. The fall papers. And then I just punched out little flowers. This was some flat embellishment flowers, gold that I had gotten from Hobby Lobby. More pumpkin stickers, top and bottom. Fall leaves. And then this, it was just a punch out, but I saw, because this is all about pumpkin pies and crisp apple pie and all that kind of stuff. So I was like, well, I got that pumpkin pie or that pie sticker. So I just kind of punched out a scallop punch and just a round circle punch. But then I grabbed this ribbon. I was like, you know what? What do you do in the fall? You enter pies into contest and win like the blue ribbon or whatever. So, I mean, it was just something I was trying to add a little something to, but I thought it turned out cute that way. And then, if I can get it, see what I mean? It don't just flip as easy on here. Y'all seen me work with this paper before. I love Paisley. This is another single sheet that came from Hobby Lobby. And I just took 3 strips. Like I said, I kept some basic, and the back was so busy with the Paisley. I just wanted to kind of keep it simple and, you know, neat. And then the yellow leaf again. And this one, I decided to also keep it more simple. Since it was so busy and I'd already done one that was so, you know, with leaves and layered and all that, I decided this one, I was just going to take the puffy gold stickers I got from Tuesday morning and just overlapped it and just kind of keep it simple. I like it. I still love that one. And then this one, I love this one too. Excuse me. I loved how these punches come out. I was, you know, I'd punched out several and I was trying to mix and match the different layers. And I just love how this turned out. This also, same paper, the Autumn Chill. It's just the reverse side of one of these. And I don't remember which one. Oh, actually, I think this one was Peach. Which is right in here. And so I punched the peach, flipped it over, and then this is, my voice is starting to go again on me. It's this paper right here. And I thought the dark and the light contrasting on this medium kind of dark green. I added the gold trim, but then I took the heart, it's lace, but it's like crochet lace or knitted lace, whatever. And I put it over so that it was just a little bit of glitter, a little bit of sparkle, but not overpowering. So it still kept it subtle and clean. And so I like that. And then here's another one. Again, I just kept it simple. I put a little leaf sticker. It says Happy Harvest with those stickers I showed you. And the stickers do, the letters do have a little bit of glitter in them and sparkle. And then probably this is my favorite. And surprising, it's not the blings, the sequin background, even though I do love that one or I wouldn't have got it. But this one, this also came in the sticker pack, and I just loved how it's got the vine around it and the little pumpkin, and then it says Autumn. And then I took the glitter. I took some of the gold twine again. I took the layers of these flowers that I had. I'm going to miss these flowers. I need to find me some more. And then I just, like I said, I took some Tim Holtz Distress ink and just kind of went around so it wasn't so just one dimension. And so I did that, and then I added just a little green glitter here and there, as you can see. You can see a little bit more on the bottom half. And then I added one of the gold flat flowers. And I love this background. I love how everything, excuse me, I'm going to take a sip. I love how everything just turned out, and it's layered, but yet with the flower and everything, but yet it's just simple and clean. So there is that. And I want to share with y'all, Mara doesn't have, since she doesn't have a channel, I would normally leave something as a surprise, but I kind of want to share with, you know, y'all are my friends, my family. So I want to share that there was 3, you were required to also, with the 6 tags on the flip ring, you're also required to send a gift. And I believe I showed this in a haul, but I'm going to wrap this up with showing you the last 3 gifts. So I got her the pumpkin spice candle, and y'all, I still can't quit smelling it. I just can't. It's just so wonderful. And so I got her one of those when I got her one, and I got me one too. I just couldn't go without it. And then I got this pumpkin cup, and then I had filled it up with the Werther's Original Caramel Apple Field, some fall paper shred, and then I just put some more eyelash and added the little leaf to the top. So see if y'all can see that. And I made a little bow, but it's spinning around. I'm going to fix that and make it a little bit neater before I package it up. But yeah, those are my 3 gifts to her. I hope she enjoys that. I'm so excited to swap with her. And if you stuck around this long, I appreciate it so very much. And I hope that you will do me a favor and give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below if you can remember. What tag was your favorite? Or did you like this color combination? But I appreciate it. If you have not done so, please subscribe. And I'm not even sure what I'm saying right now, so I'm going to wrap it up. You know what to do. Thank you, and as always, I wish you the best.